Amen. The brain is loosely floating cell mass that is compactly packed in the skull bone, connected to 31 sets of spinal nerves. Brain cells are connected to heart, glands, ligaments, neuron, and every cell in the human body and animal body. The baffling structure of the brain will remaining baffling for very number of generations in the future in this planet. The brain is an amazing piece of effulgence in all ages that controls everything from the birth to death. The effulgence of rays that stunned the energy concept. The brain is very active in the day and occasionally resting in the night. We sometimes think that the brain is silent on certain things because the brain takes rest when we are fully awake and active. Amen. The behavioral changes in the brain is due to the changing behavior of the absorption in the brain cells. These changes are due to dormant and active signals that are generated in the brain signals. Brain discharges either chemical signals or electrical signals. These signals are activated or repulsed, altering the concentrations in the brain cell. Age factor is not of much importance when the behavioral change occurs in the brain. The brain is very active when we don't require it to be active, and sometimes the brain is more dormant when you don't require it to be dormant. That is, the brain is active when you require it to be dormant, and the brain is dormant when you require it to be active. The brain signals raise like a wild horse in the dark forest with uncontrollable, stunning disaster. The effulgence of rays from the brain under ideal conditions of balanced food, oxygenation, and excretion controls many diseases such as asthma, sinusitis, allergy, cancer, mellitus respiratory failure, pneumonia, chronic gland failure, visceral ulcers, disease of pancreas, stones in the kidney or gallbladder, uterus, hypertension, emotion, fear, anger, depression, catalepsy, meningitis, Alzheimer's, Parkinson, dementia, multiple sclerosis, high blood pressure, and many more disorders. Yoga and Bhagavad Gita postulations believe that thought process in the brain acts towards disease prevent and cell regenerate postulations only as a prime requisite for propagation of life. At Pachari Yoga International Trust, at PIDE, I advise YPMF's postulations for value-added longevity of peaceful and painless life without drugs, surgery, hospitalization as a prelude to brain-friendly 21st century yoga.